Merry Christmas. My name is Jody Pritzel. I'm the author of Immigrants, Ornaments, and Legacies, the story of American-made glass Christmas ornaments. Today I want to share my latest Shiny Brite finds and a little bit of a mystery. As I shared earlier in the videos, I shop a lot locally at the Brass Armadillo, but I'm also on eBay starting in July, about once a week, putting together my watch list. I wait until I see something that's a good buy or something that I don't have. So recently I scored 12 ornaments for $43, and I want to show you what I bought and talk a little bit about the ornaments. They came in this sad box. It is a sad top box. This is the original Shiny Brite graphics that were used from 1939 to 1946. At the bottom it says K&W Glassworks. Now I want to tell you about Otto Kohler, just a little smidge. Otto Kohler is the one that owned the patent for how Corning glass bulbs were decorated by Max Eckhart and George Franke. This is a sad state of affairs in terms of a box. Boxes that are in good shape usually go for $15 to $20. This one I'm going to repurpose probably into a photo frame. Now, if you thought the top of the box was sad, wait till you see the bottom. The bottom is even worse. Now, I'll tell you that I know this isn't the original box because it says purple on the side. So, purple was a color after the originals of silver, gold, blue, green, and red. This is a sad set of ornaments, but there's some really good ones in here. Let me tell you what's in here. I bought it because there were 6 different Merry Christmas in this box. This shape I have very few of. It's a pear teardrop, depending on who you're talking to. This box I scored 3 of them. Merry Christmas here in the blue, one of my faves. Thought it was just great. Do not have a lot of these. They came in with a green one. Now I know these are looking a little rough, but I'm here to tell you, brand new vintage Shiny Brites, $200 a box, $80 a box, a little bit out of my price range. These I'm paying about $3.50. It also came with a red one, and I thought that was a unique one. Now, all 3 of these have that scallop, which tell me it's a George Franke bulb, not a Shiny Brite. That doesn't diminish that it was probably made by Corning, okay? I also scored another Merry Christmas here. Now again, Otto Kohler's patent, how a Christmas ornament is decorated is like that. This is a great Merry Christmas. And hang them up there. Now, I also had in the box 2 Noels. I do not own a lot of Noel. So, again, I bought it for the 3. Now I've got 2 bonus Noels, an extra Merry Christmas, and I'm here to tell you I did get a few Shiny Brites in my box, which made it all worthwhile. I did have 4 Shiny Brites. I have a Silent Night from 1958. It is in pristine condition. So that is a great find. You know, if I was probably buying that single, I'd expect to pay $6 for that. It came in the box. There are 3 different Shiny Brite versions of Merry Christmas. This one is Merry Christmas with leaves, there's Merry Christmas with poinsettia, and there's Merry Christmas with holly spray. So that was a bonus item that I received in this box. Here's that Merry Christmas with holly spray that I like. And it's in pink, and it is in pristine condition. That is a great find. But again, I bought it for those, and I got these extras in there. Santa, I can't have enough Santa, right? Santa with carriage, 1946 to 48 on him. Oof. Just when I don't have many ornaments on the trees, it fills up. Scored a bonus Hark the Herald Angels Sing. I do not have a Hark the Herald Angels Sing. So that was another reason I bought this box. The mystery ornament. In this box of ornaments with those graphics, I would have expected, if it really was the right box, I would have expected probably a pre-war ornament, 1939 to probably 43. I got 1 in the whole box. Made in US of A. This ornament, I know from the blue is a Corning ornament. I know from the bulb it's an ornament from Corning. But Merry Christmas. Again, I'm talking about Otto Kohler and his patent. If this was really from 39 to 43 and it was a Corning decorated by Max Eckhart, it would have probably been tipped with a double Merry Christmas. I think somebody hand wrote Merry Christmas on here. It's kind of a mystery ornament. It was in my great box of 12. I'm not going to part with it. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.